Look at that one even closer.
Watch, they're gonna smell this thing in 5 seconds. Shit.
That's Jamie.
Oh, beat. Good morning from Hawaii, guys. Don't forget, stay psyched. Stickers are in the description and the Speedos are in the description down below. We just got these things, remember? I surfed the Vulcan Pipe Pro in Speedos.
The 3-time Vulcan Pipe Pro champion.
Hey, that's not how you wear the Speedos, from. We're gonna go hit the skate park right now. We are basically making a vlog today about that you can do anything in Speedos if you put your mind to it, you know what I mean? Just show up with the confidence and you're gonna shred extra hard and extra gnarly. So Lucas, get your Speedos on. Poops, get your Speedos on.
Mine are on.
Woo! That was pretty fast, dude. Hey, you know what? Look at, check out the pocket. Use like this. Oh, perfect fit, bro. Let's go.
That's so sick.
We'll go downstairs. Got the skateboards. Watch these freaking blowtails we're gonna do on these surf skates. We're like, what's up, buddy? You want a pair of Speedos? Some doggy Speedos. Oh, look out here.
Comment below if you want to see the dogs with Speedos.
Here we go. Boom. This is my craft. Look, it kind of matches, like kind of same good vibe going on. Boom, bam, wham. Let's hit the skateboard, man. Let's go.
All right, so Jamie just got his new Speedos in, and all the boys are wearing them. We got our skateboards. We're gonna head to the skate park and test these Speedos out.
Testing them out. Same vlog, dude. Same vlog, but he's uploading later.
Yeah.
Yeah. So get psyched, guys. We're gonna jump in the back of Pono's truck. We're gonna head down to skate park. Lays are dead flat. There's nothing to do. So this is what we gotta do. We're gonna go shred the gnar in the Speedos. 4 of us in the back of the truck with Speedos. It's like, who's got the wider leg? That's what it's all going down. You guys be the judge. I think I'm definitely battling with Alex here in the back.
I think I win.
You're like real pasty white.
Alex doesn't have any hair on his legs, so it makes it wider.
Nah, guy, I spent too much time in the barrel.
He's got a little cottage cheese right here too. Oh my God, there's no one out of the skate park right now. We're getting psyched up. Get psyched, bunker. We're getting ready. We're gonna skate the gnar. Hopefully it stops raining. I'm going in the back of the truck since I last made burgers in the back with the boys. Combos on our burgers, dude. If you wonder why the grass is growing really well along the side of this wall, is because they decided not to put a bathroom at the state park or the skate park. We're getting warmed up though right now. If you shake it more than twice, that means you're playing with it, so don't play around. Oh, look at this. Hey, we have the whole skate park to ourselves right now. How stoked are we right now? This is like serving perfect pipe with no one out, but we're at the skate park. All right, let's start the psych counter, boys. Get psyched. Let's go skate.
We're skating perfect bonsai, bro.
Sorry, no one here.
Haha, didn't see you there. No show, boys.
Got a cherry burn on the butt. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first 24-hour classic blowtail event. First off, we have Poopies from Carlsbad dropping in right now, so stay tuned. You're gonna see the biggest blowtail of his life.
Here we go.
Blowtail, let's go, get it out there. Oh, first ride was incomplete, ladies and gentlemen. Second off, you guys, we have Lucas Geyser Godfrey dropping in a huge blowtail coming off backside reverse. Next up, Jamie O'Brien. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be dropping in right here. I'm 35 years of age and I'm psyched. More psyched than anybody here. And here it goes. Oh my God. Oh, I just took the comp. Wait, Alex is next.
I'm up, but I got backside.
This is the guy that gets mad at Poops all the time. Backside, front side. Oh! He might win the biggest skid mark award of the day with that one. You gotta end it in style. That's why, you know, you gotta let everybody know at the skate park that we're the fastest guys around right now. That's why we're gonna be at Foodland in a time like that. Pow, we're gonna be there. Boom, grinding pokeballs. We just got to Foodland.
Oh, Saba! Didn't see that.
It's like ice cold in here because we just shredded a skate park. This is feeling as breezy as it gets right now. She's checking out her Speedos. I just saw her.
Hi, Selena.
Hi.
Like, how do you know my name?
That's your name, yeah?
High five.
High five or what? There we go.
Are you laughing at us because we're in Speedos?
Yeah.
All of you guys?
I think the crab wrappers.
They're good. It's nice and breezy in alopecia.
Yo, another one.
Can we ask you a question? What do you think about our Speedos?
Hot or not?
Yeah.
They're hot.
Okay. All right. See, that's one good report card in Foodland. Ow! That kind of hurt.
No free ice.
What do you think about our Speedos?
They're cool.
I like that. Look, he's in. Dude, look at this guy's tan.
We're doing this or what?
Smokes, he's on. See, freaking collaborations going down in Foodland right now.
And the shaka? Yeah, it's on. Look.
Did you get this?
Who's that?
That's J.O.B.
It's J.O.B. dude.
J.O.B.'s right there too.
Look.
Oh.
Oh, I'd buy those for sure.
Alright. Okay, I gotta go to doctors. I got an alopecia appointment.
How you doing?
What's so funny?
Nothing.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. We're swimming?
Yeah,
we're just 24 hours in Speedos. We hit the skate park, we're hitting Foodland, we're gonna go fishing. Bye, girls.
For sure.
See this guy? Who's that?
Oh, it's my signature biggie board. Brought to you by Croupies. Go to bed, wake up. It's coming to town. Vapor Van's coming too. Let's go. All right.
Y'all be flossing that shit up, but I ain't got no tan line and shit like y'all do. What's up, baby? Down. You gotta conk that shit.
You gotta get warmed up. What's up, big dog? Whoa, what is this? This could be merch. Oh, dude, these are the new pop sockets. No way. Oh my God, you guys, we just got the new pop sockets in. Are you kidding me? Oh my God, the Stay Psyched pop sockets. Best day ever. Yeah, we just got a load of them.
Good.
I'm psyched. I'm gonna throw one of those on my phone in a minute here. Aloha, ladies and gentlemen. We're on the boat right now. We are about to do some beater riding. All the boys still in their Speedos. 24-hour speeder challenge going down. We're outside Waimea Bay, enjoying a beautiful afternoon. Let's get to shredding, dude. This is the blade. Poops, the blade is coming back, brah.
No.
Get psyched, Poops. Let's
No
go.
fins.
I'm telling you, dude. This is like the ultimate combo. Like, if you could just be like, boom, you know, like, boom. Oh, I saw a shark. Oh shit, I was tripping for sure. Okay, let's get to it. Oh, lay back Larry. we're about to wrap up here out on the boat. It's absolutely been an amazing 24 hours so far. Actually, not even 24 hours, but we're gonna head to Turtle Bay and get some surfing done in the Speedos. So get psyched and we'll see you there. All right, guys, we just got back from the boat and it is time to go enjoy the sunset with the boys in the Speedos. Epic day, you know? What can't we do in Speedos in Hawaii? I mean, if pipe was 10 feet, we'd be out there in Speedos today. But whatever, we're gonna go enjoy the sunset, freak some tourists out, and maybe scare a couple golfers on our way there. You'll just send me new suits. Let's check them out. Boom. The camouflage is in right now. Let me tell you guys. Look at that. Thank you guys at Buell. I'm loving these suits already. It's been quite some time in the process for the sickest suits in the game, possibly even the world. Look at this thing. Boom. How's this short arm full? This thing's coming to Australia with me, mate. Let's check out the other one. What is this? I don't wear those. Okay. Don't wear those. Oh, look at this thing. This thing's sick. Look, Lucas is eyeing up the rash guards. He likes rash guards. Oh, it's a roll. Look at that. Boom. These are the signature JLB Buell suits. They'll be hitting the store soon. Stay psyched, you guys. We're on another adventure right now with the boys. We're gonna go blow Turtles Bay's minds today. Yeah,
I'll take the rash guards.
We're gonna work them right now. This is what the golfer is gonna look like.
Oh, dude, you got the same glasses.
Why not?
Sick.
Gaba.
Oh, never mind. Oh, dude.
Oh. How'd that mess up?
Yeah.
Here we come, Turtle Bay. Let's get psyched. Yeah, boys. Here we go. I can't wait to go to Turtle Bay.
Turtle Bay, about to go shred the pool bar. Show off our Speedos, all the tourists. I think it's gonna be funny. They'll be like, who are these 6 funny guys wearing Speedos just ripping the pool bar?
Turtle Bay, dude. That's where it all goes down here in Hawaii. It's like the most beautiful place to watch the sunset and 6 dudes ripping Speedos. And you know, that's what we're all about. And here we go.
Oh, look at that one even closer.
Watch, they're gonna smell this thing in 5 seconds.
That was Jamie.
Oh, beef.
The lethal Pokeball from Foodland. We're looking for golfers. We are going to stop. We're gonna ruin someone's day today. Yeah, don't ask why. I'm not a big fan about golfing because I think that people take this too serious. And you know, we're just cruising. We're gonna sneak up on some golfers. Like he's like measuring how far the ball needs to go in the hole. That's why you just gotta wear Speedos. You don't really need to know those kind of things. We're watching these guys golf. This is like the sickest thing. This is the most psyched thing I've seen all day, these 2 guys golfing. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Oh, is the guy going close?
Take that, Jamie.
We're so bad at this. We gotta pick another golfer.
We gotta hide and like.
We gotta go hide in the bushes.
Yeah, we're like I know we're like wearing,
right now.
we're wearing camouflage, but like, you know, they still can see us right here. We're not even in the bushes.
James pushed out, dude.
Oh, that was weak. Let's get out of here. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Turtle Bay. We are gonna activate in our Speedos in 3, 2, and 1.
Can't even hear me.
JLB!
What's up, Al?
Ruby's Grip!
What's up?
What up, dude?
We're here at Turtle Bay Takeover.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, we just pulled up there. I just saw a nice little right. It looked a little inconsistent, but you know, we're gonna enjoy the sunset. Enjoy the rest of this day because this is what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoying your life. Right, Poops?
That's right, yep. I have the best life ever.
Look, Poops, you didn't get spit out all winter. We could set you up in the blowhole real quick.
Okay.
Get spit out a sick
Whatever,
one.
I got spit out the back door.
No, you didn't. Let's watch the clip.
Yeah.
All right, that was the clip, you guys. Obviously, Poops just didn't get spit out. It was kind of like a roller, a nice wave, but no spit. So we'll get you spit out.
Yeah.
Oh! Go, go, go!
Oh, suck it in.
Stay in there, there's more waves.
Is there? Oh, it's a squirter.
That thing spit harder than his back door. Get back in there. This is the one. This is the one. he doesn't even get spit out like this anywhere in the world except for Turtle Bay. That's why we came here. It's this special place. He gets blown out just like that. That was a sick one, Pooh. He has no meat on his bones. This guy's freezing, or he's modeling or something. I don't know what he's doing. Let's get out there, dude. We're on. Epic session. We just came in. It's like literally so small. It's sad that like summer's just sinking in and it's this big. Boys are ripping. Food lost all his fins. Alex still got one hanging in there. Let's see it. Let's see it. Wow. We got a whole crowd of people. It's time to go jump in the jacuzzi. Turtle Bay, thanks so much for always having us over here. All the aloha.
Oh, that's a sick Speedo. Oh my god!
You should have bought mine. The link is in the description below, I'm telling you. He's meeting my boy right here. We're Speedo Club. Mine are better though. Yours aren't so camo.
These are the original though.
Those are pretty sick though. You got donuts on them, dude.
It says Budgie Smuggler.
Budgie Smugglers. Show them the ass. Dude. Oh my god.
Yeah.
That was amazing. Poops, come on, dude. We're trying to end the vlog. Get over here. I know. Don't jump in the jacuzzi. This guy just cut himself up in the jacuzzi. Look at his cut. Boom. No.
Don't get in the jacuzzi, dude. We're all gonna get alopecia.
All right. Anyways, guys, best day ever. Thank you guys for watching the channel. Don't forget to click the link right here to Lucas's channel. Team Blowtail, stay psyched forever, guys.
And Poopy's channel too.
No.
Click the link over there.
Unsubscribe and don't click notifications on his, but nah. Check out Lucas' channel. Enjoy. Stay psyched. Best day ever. 7 Mile Miracle in the Speedos. Love and life in Hawaii. All right. Boom.
There we go.
Boom. Turn them.
Oh god.
I'm just doing a quick security check for the hotel. Can I get a room number and last name?
Alright, so unfortunately guys, we gotta go. They tried to give us a break and then they tried to charge our homeboy in the jacuzzi 50 bucks a person. So that would have been like, who knows, 600 bucks extra for the boys that cruise in jacuzzi. Right on Turtle Bay. Thanks for the aloha every time. Expensive drinks and kicking the boys out of jacuzzi. We don't care, we're living the life. Enjoy. I see you guys next week.